All right, happy homeowners. We are out here in Canyon Lake, California. Got a really dark, hand-distressed bamboo. Now this would have been beat up for a while, and it's going to be a drastic change. By the time we're finished with it, it will be a beautiful light color. We started in here so you'll see. Have to hit it on an angle a couple of times and then start straightening it out, and you can already see what it's gonna look like. At least finishing the bamboo hand distress. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's do an updated video. You see all the dust. It's because the highs and the lows just really don't get a good suction. See all the high areas and low areas. A lot of work to get the hand distress flat, and then we'll eventually start straightening it back out like we've done here. Got the repair going on down here. Kind of lace these boards in. All right, happy homeowners. Brian here with OnlyWoodFloors back over in Canyon Lake. Remember that dark black, heavy distressed bamboo floor is now almost looking like the natural white oak. Ooh, what a difference. Man, it's just like total different house, total different floor. So beautiful. We're gonna do a real light sanding and one more coat of finish will protect you.